Sanibonani bafazi. Ngihappy kodwa angikho happy. Ngiyazi ukuthi uAugust ne? And kubhiza ngisho. Traffic, amaphoyisa, madlanga, kubhizi. So this past weekend I was out, right? Being no honorable, ne? Angaka ngicocele, angaka ngibonisa i-content, angaka yenzi in. Kune subscriber yethu. Usisi opart of ifamily yethu. Futhi ngimkwatele kabi. Futhi ngikwatile. Usisi ungibona no honorable. Maqeda uyangibheka. Ngazi ngimbona phethe phone or ngazi bungisho or wenzani. And manje uwenza honorable abe uncomfortable. Honorable uhamba nami indawo as a secluded, as a private, as a secretive ukuthi kungabi nomuntu ozosihlupha lapho, so that in those areas there are no fans, there are no, everyone that's there, they are minding their own money. Sihlobo uyenzi lento leyo. Mina ngike ngiseza la ngizongicukela indaba. Yabona mele mang outside ningibona nomfana nijabule nithi yes. Yes, because kuza i-content eshisayo. But manje nina maningambela phambili ubuya uzala kuma comment section uzongibuza ukuthi honorable ukupheni ngokubonile mphono honorable. Angisho zange ngiyenze secret vele ngiyantshela ngiyacocela ukuthi honorable ukhona, honorable into ehambayo, honorable, you understand? But manje you don't do that. Nizosifaka kumadlanga commission guys. You understand? Uzongimoshela umjolo mina. Mhlambe uye lo ndlulayo. Or seba yangiseveya. Bafuna ungisa kumadlanga. Awuyenzi lento leyo skatapoliki. Awuyenzi skat. Sengiyanikhuza, angazi ngeke nganikhuza last. Sengiyanikhuza futhi manje. Futhi nina yilabantu labeni uhlangana namathole seningikhulile nifuna ubuniqiqa. At this point, year 11 enihamba ngayo. Ngiyanicela. Honorable akazazi nokuthi honorable. You understand? But if he could pick up ukuthi loya sis loyana usibhekile. She's been looking at us. And I know when a person is looking at you as a poverty, but it look yellow sis, I need the comfortable. Stand. You don't do that. You don't do that. I was going to like uzongimoshela i-process yomjolo yami engiyakuyo. What if honorable ufuna ukuthi sibe serious mina naye? What if honorable ufuna umshado? What if honorable ufuna ukufaka amathambo esusini? Ngizongicocela kanjani because nina ningambela phambili. Ngicela ukuthi lo sis lo yene if uzokhomenta kule video le ngizomphina and ngicela nimgeneni nimkhuze because uzosibangela indaba. Ngintshela ngathi lo muntu lona umuntu omkhulu emphakathini. You understand? Anakumelanga sikhulume ngaye noma kanjani. So mina mangiza la ngizongicocela ngisuke ngikhipha isifuba sami kini ngoba nina niyabangani bami ngisho. But umngane onjani wena ofuna ukuthi indaba zami zaziwa abantu bangaphandle? Uyosenza nisithombe sami no honorable, uyosifaka endumbeni usishise. Nina nizosifaka inkingeni nina no more. Yabona if anything happens, angeke ngisaphinde ngicocela imkosi wami ngizovele ngizithulele ngithi labafazi laba. Nina mani namadoda wenu nishuda abobani? Nina mani nabafana nishuda abobani? Ngicela ukuthi nibe abantu ningayenzi into mina engayenzi kini. Ngumuntu nami yazi. Hayi yabona ukuthi mangintshela ukuthi ezinye zezinto zenza ukuthi ngiyeke lo mama lamakaka wokuvlogger lawa because nina ingqondo sometimes azivele zisebenze kahle.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships.
Mulin guys, delayed okomufi. Ongena funeral cover, delayed okomufi ongena policy. So yamazi umufi qaye late sana ephethe izinhlono bana la makhulu ebengathethisane naye nguye egqibeleni ogqibe amnqwabile. Yeah, ndilamuntu today. So I am on my way to my nail appointment. I've been in bed, guys, for the past couple of days. The flu caught me again. I don't know what's with my system, but I ended up going to the doctor and I got injections. And I also so I have a prescription to pick up today at this chem, and then I have a nail appointment. My nail appointment is at 12, so tomorrow, yeah, it's back to work. We haven't caught up in a minute, guys, because Yosana Bendi Booba, like this flu, I don't know what to call it. It is straight from Satan's baby mama, because what do you mean the bitterness, Sana? And also I think it's this heat that just, you know, makes things worse. You know, this heat just makes things worse. But outside of that, so I'm just gonna quickly get dressed, and then if anything, sizawuhlangana emazipweni. So wena ungakhwela sana uyonilinda phaya eBluebell, while mina I do what I am known for, yeah, being late. I'm just doing my brows. Oh Sana, oh Sana, oh Sana, look at me. So but until, guys, that's Anzogazu Banhlalen vlogger because of my commitment right now. Guys, ningalibalo fagi sunscreen. Kuyachisa, guys, kuyachisa. Ninabona mkokororo. Ningalibalini. This is my fighter. So today I'm gonna be wearing a long sleeve shirt. No nifagile, guys, ne. This is my fighter, guys. This is my fighter. Niyabona mar. Okay, the sun. This is my fighter, and nalo cousin wakhe. So I need to wax. And then khumbule ba since ndiphiyesile, guys, angawexi angenza into. So phaya usijava wenza live concert at Carnival City, Big Top Arena. So I really need to, but I've healed, you know, I've just been trimming, but I really need to wax. I really need to wax. I need to wax, because gachisa, guys. But I'm done. To keep it decolletage, son, and keep it decolletage. Listen, so today I also, like I said, I have a lot of things, but I'll see what I can do and what I can't do, you know. So yeah, so if anything, I'm rambling because I'm late. I haven't taken my supplements, and also my new supplements are coming today. What's wrong with my eyebrows? Oh Sana, oh Sana, and Sacho Nani. So yeah, this is my look today. I'm rocking this and I'm wearing leggings, and zawufaka le hlang zami zika Yesu ezazithe bhakya. So let me get ready, guys. But don't mind me. I'm just keeping myself calm because I am late. Like, I'm just keeping myself calm because I'm late, you know. So literally, so I think I'll just make a stop at this chem on my way back. The sun is out, so that means it's time to look like a girl. Like, it's time to be girly and cute and stuff. So you don't have a reason why you should not be looking after yourself. So I'm removing my red nails. I want to do a French and do some nice white toes. Singajola, guys. But I think we'll get into that later. What's happening here? Singajola, guys. Giyajola. Let me do my thingy magic. Actually, Puma sana, I'm gonna leave the kitchen. Because I'm so clever. I'm gonna leave the kitchen. But I'm almost done. Guys, I've just arrived for my nail appointment. I'm late as usual. I was gonna show you my outfit check, but there's no way to put this phone down. Let me see if I can put it here. Let me put it here so that you can see how I look. Alrighty. Okay. Okay, let's go in, guys. Hi, ladies. And so oh my god.
She only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was slide, slow. When I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close. Time on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers slow. All day, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you rain, wanna see you this way. I can't lie, I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends, get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. Why are you coming for it?
Hey loves, I had many stops today. It was a very long day. However, I'm so exhausted. I still need to take my medication for flu. I went to this camp. I did a lot of things, but I wanted to show you this. So I ended up getting myself my favorite delicacy. So now fish was not the one. This is the fish I was talking about. This is the fish I was talking about, and I need to bath and eat. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best. When I tell you that lady does the best fish in the world. So anyway, indaba eziningi nizoziza kahle kusasa. It's another long day, but we'll catch up tomorrow. Ngesinyokeza and have my, actually I'll show you when I'm having my onion and ginger and tontoni. But I love you guys. Mwah. It's Osana.
Osana.
Guys, it is.
I guess making music.
Yeah, I will. Guys, it's I think it's 2:11. I'm trying to sleep. Pinky waits. So I'm chilling with my bestie here. But I can't sleep. I'm blocked. So I need to go eat some onion, ginger, and garlic. That's the only thing. Excuse me, dude. This is my phone. Say, sorry, Mom.
Sorry, Mom.
Okay. So we need to go to the kitchen, Syrian's because I'm very blocked. And so although I got a medication from the pharmacy, let this camp, but listen to their fun, but the last resort, honestly. What's in that? I don't mind to say I pay for some road man. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. Let me show you the time. You see? This is the time. So only put the razan glalashim. It's vanilla and I'm only insomnia, so I'm gonna be making that onion stuff and I have to eat it. I'm not choice, guys. I'm not quite. Guys, this is from yesterday, so I have these slices from yesterday. So I'm just gonna quickly chop these up and eat them because what do you mean? Okay. Where's my garlic?
Let's go right now. Ah! Oh, yes.
And here's my Jamal slices. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, and then I have to eat this. I'm no choice, guys. Ingifuna ukuba right. You win. You win.
On my specs.
Yeah?
I just put them on this.
Okay. Onion and ginger and garlic. Okay, guys, here goes nothing. So woo. Mntana ngathemba ukhuluma kakhulu yazi. It's a good night, guys. Tonight, you guys.
Night, guys.
I love you guys.
Love it, guys.
We're off to bed.
You're out to bed.
Mommy's mouth
Mommy's mouth
smells
smells,
like ginger,
smell like ginger, garlic.
No, see, mommy's mouth
Mommy's mouth
smells like bismillah.
bismillah.
How does my mouth smell? Okay. Smells nice.
Yes.
When inkinga yakho ukuthi uyangithanda uvuma yonke into. Okay, ngibake. Night, guys.
Night.
Guys, so I just woke up. I took a nap after the kids left. So I think my problem is not. Let me look this. I hardly look at the camera because I'm always looking at myself. Let me look at the camera. I'm not sick per se. Ne? It's just that I am I'm not congested. Good dry. Like good say, ngasusa le parts le. Ngikhathe so. Ngicubisa Vaseline eningi. Ngiyibuyisele. Ngisuse nale. And I think the last time I felt this bad was after I removed my tonsils. So that's a while ago, like years ago. So that's how I need to isama nje. Ngizondela lokhu. This was literally happens to me in summer. Heat nje. Ngizondela lokhu. This is what happens to me in heat. That's why I'm such a winter baby. Winter, I have to carry like I'm a nasal. Summer, I have to carry nasal spray. Yo. So this is what I'm living with. So ngiyavila pokuphuza ama allergic. So enye into I am not. Oh guys, yes. I'm not going. I was supposed to go to the hospice today. I told you, Gucci, I have a new client assigned to me. There for 2 visits. The Baba is so racist. Yo, he's so racist. The zombies are He's so racist because you can tell by his demeanor. Ngathi ulovele bekafaka abantu nje kutu like racist le Baba Loyana and abathandi ukuthi sifaka ama masks. So when I explained to him that I'm not feeling well, he feels like mina kuba ngathi ngiyamnukela. So yeah, now what's different about him is that he's in a retirement home. Guys, abelungu banemali. You see, if there's one thing my job has taught me is that white people are moneyed. White people go into a retirement home, and this retirement home, you'll think it's just ama estates nje. Kanti it's a retirement home. Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthenga i-retirement home lapho. Then maseka akhathela kugile, they sell izinto zendlu yakhe. And then ahlale lapho. Abanye it's like an apartment, abanye it's like a duplex. It depends nakhona yabo. So and it's just simple spaces, but because they in that particular area there's there's me obviously who comes in and out, and then there's abantu abagezayo, ababaphekelayo, abantu abayenza inhloko and all of those things. So you understand ukuthi abantu, they are just living good lives. So racist lo racist. I'm glad that I'm not going beyond my job description, like, because Umariki mina nice in a connection. So Umariki, she's been in and out of hospital of late, but Friday I definitely have to go see her. And because I've just been having this hunch and I've been dreaming a lot about her, you know, and I know what that means. So I just need to go see her on Friday. But like ngikathenga medication because this is my life. So guys nizofuna ukubhala ama recommendation, but umuntu ka government. So let me wake up and let's hang out. So let's see what's gonna happen. Guys, do you remember my plants? The one I showed you in a couple of vlogs ago? Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's growing. Ne? I think I need to shop for a new plant pot or pot plant for her. Because also being right in the kitties room. So manje ngiyabona man ukuthi bekangahlelanga kahle because la bengibeke ama flowers wami yabo uphukile Cinderella. I'm so sad. But I'm going to get her a new vase. I'm so happy she's growing. Like, I got this plant in, I think it was January, Feb. She was so tiny. Look at her, the little sprouts that are coming up. No milling him a new vase. So it's in Pamanzi, baby girl. And then I also want to make myself tea, and then we can also get into our obsession. I also wanted to show you my toes. I didn't show you my toes, guys. Guys, I'm so under the weather. But we need to push. So let me just make myself some tea because I'm trying to stay far away from cold things because a problem la pela. This is my problem right now. So I just want to have some tea and put some nasal spray inside, and then we'll get into a nice chat. Guys, I'm a plant mom. You know, I talk to her so much. I even put my period in here. When I'm on my period, I put my period in here. So she's not just a plant, okay? She is my spirit animal. So I'm just so happy to see her flourishing like this. You know what? Energy is everything, they always say. And I'm so mad at myself because I'm gonna sing Lama Blomu this August. What is wrong with me? I've been so preoccupied. I haven't had time to buy myself flowers. So I need new flowers because look, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you. Oh, Cinderella Tandi camera suga. These have been like this. Remember these flowers? I need new flowers. I need a new vase and I need new flowers. So as soon as I'm better and I'm ready to leave the house, I think I'll get that sorted out. But what kind of a girl have I been? Not buying myself flowers. Ew. So I'm just waiting for my period so I can feel all mushy and stuff and buy myself flowers. But it's all right because my period is coming in a couple of days. Let me make myself some tea and I'll see you in a minute. But first, it is the eclipse. It is the full moon. It is the Jeb JD gore go busy ke commission ke matlala. People are crashing out in real time. Like, I'm just sitting at home, I'm like, oh my goodness, what the hell is happening? Guys, I love Tina, I love Rooibos ne. Oh sana ndathi nakhuluma mama sana ngoba sethe ndimenzele na ikopi yakhe. Guys, mina nizonjaja ne, but I do not care because I'm living my life and I'm saying what's on my mind. Guys, njonge i-commission. Ndibule ngihleli njonge commission. Ndiyabona all these things that are happening. Khethi umuntu omubi ukhethi khohlakele ukhethi akazi uyezulwini, but what a man. Now I understand indaba yokuba mna notsaki girl asinamntu for the next coming years, depending on how long they are going to keep him. Mna notsaki, oh sana, oh sana, oh sana. But uzawubuya sana, it's not forever. That's what I know. He is coming back. So yes, he's gone, but uzawubuya, guys. Nzamlinda, I'll just stay single. I'll stay single. Now you know, good say, ndi single, ndilinde ubani, ndilinde uJohn Wick. Oh sana ndilinde uJohn Wick. Oh, Cats is a charmer, guys. Oh, he's a charmer. Mna vele, I would be weak. I would be weak. I know myself, Pelamna. I would actually come out of retirement from being a lover girl. Oh, benizamthanda. Oh, sana. Anyway, guys, asqitheni apho. Guys, let me have a bit of my tea. Oh, that's nice and warm. So, mina ngikhule kwaziyo ukuthi itiya awuliphuzi ufake i-teaspoon ngaphakathi because abantu bazongena indaba zakho. Ngiyalihlafuna nokulihlafuna. Okay, guys, on more serious business. We haven't had our EAP session in a minute, but I feel like this is important. You need it, I need it, we all need it. So if you can, get your pen and paper, but you'll have this video to watch, so don't worry and stress yourself. Allow me to preach for the next couple of minutes for you, baby. Let's get it right into it. So with this spiritual focus that we are going into, things are unearthing themselves and things are coming into light. So you will find yourself finding out a lot more than often, discovering things that you were taking lightly, or things that you were at the back of your head you had a hunch about. Even your dreams are now starting to be more, you know, you can see what's happening. However, the theme of the spiritual cycle that we are in is called an ending of a cycle, or not a chapter, a cycle. So I was like deep in thought. I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a perfect timing, and this is my message for you. So sis Leah in a foundation, because manje, guys, we need to prepare to buy. Sesiyakha manje, sesiyakha guys, sesiyakha. So ngenani e-build it, thathana matroli sizokwazi ukuthi siqale sithenge into ezi-right. Okay, the law of power. So I'm gonna look down because I've been making notes about this, right? I don't sleep, guys. So I've been making notes. So the law of power says removing excess increases your value as an individual or as a person. Where energy leaks, power decreases. Let's hear it again. The law of power says removing excess increases your value. Where energy leaks, power decreases. Basically, I'm here today to say to you, cut them off. No, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. You need to cut them off. You need to revoke their access to you. Block. Use your block button. We have this toxic thing of saying, I need to keep them around. They need to see my success. They need to see me shining. Baby, no. That is an energy leak. And where there's an energy leak, power decreases, because the people that are just keeping tabs on you, wanting to know what is happening around you, wanting to know what is happening in your life, not from a good perspective. So now you do not necessarily always want to give people the upper hand. And also, once you understand that energy is currency, you are the currency, and not everybody is worthy of a currency. Ngizokhuluma ngama-currency that we all have. Kunomuntu ongakaze abambe a dollar. There's a person that hasn't touched, this particular money. You must look at your energy like that. Not everybody is worthy of your energy. Access to your energy is privilege. Sorry, guys. Access to your energy is privilege. Take yourself seriously. And by taking away people's access to your energy, you start vibrating higher. You start reclaiming your power, like the law of power says. Learn to cut people off without an explanation, including the people connected to them. Umuntu umkhathi off ukwatile, because mawukwatile you is still an energy leak. Umuntu umkhatha off kukahle, ningathukananga, ninga just cut them off, because you will see that there's an energy leak. And remember, the universe does not take multiple situations to show you this particular person or these particular people are not good for you. You will see. So be it is an X, Y, you understand that? Cut them off, delete their numbers, delete the pictures. Why are you still keeping pictures of yourself and your exes? Why are you still keeping numbers of people you're no longer in contact with? I believe that if we do not speak like for 3 months and stuff, there's no need for you to sit in my contact list. I don't even save your number, Mina. Since the day you text me, my malona, and that's that, we keep it moving. You understand that? There's no need for you. You owe nobody loyalty but yourself. You need to value your energy as a currency. Delete the screenshots of the conversation of a narcissistic relationship, the abuse. Delete, because you're harboring that energy on your phone and it is hindering for you to go forward. You are literally carrying that energy every day. I do not keep Itomezara 2019 on my phone. I have a cloud. They sit there. I do not want that energy walking around with me every single day of my life, because who I was in 2019 and who I am today are not the same people. That's why I always say, if you have to find yourself posting old pictures when you look good and you can't post pictures of yourself right now, you need to know that there has been an energy leak, or you have been swapped with something or somebody. You need to reclaim your power, because as people, we evolve into our greatest version of ourselves. But now, if you stuck on this Isithombe Saka 2022, umeso, uwenzi podcast, sologo umeso, baby, there's something wrong. If I'm on a profile picture, learn to change profile pictures. Clear the energy. Learn to declutter your clothes. Why usabambelele kuyicathulo ezaga Britney Spears and oops, I did it again. Usazibekile icathulo lezo. God, no, Britney, release that energy. Release those clothes. Asingeke sisabuya. Nobu ngathi uyajuwisha ugqokisa Y2K. If you don't have the style mind for it, and it won't make sense. So this is not something that is open for conversation. Sibadala, guys. If you feel that this thing is not worth my energy, you just revoke access to you. You understand that? Let people stay as fans in your life, because in some instances you find you meet a guy, he loved you, he saw your pictures and stuff, and then and he starts to resent you because of your currency, and then you become his enemy after you leave the relationship because you revoked access. It's the same thing with friendships. There's a person that can see you and online, oh my gosh, I would like to be her friend. And then you understand? For nothing, for absolutely nothing. For maybe go to your for absolutely nothing. You understand? And then it goes slowly from I love you to I envy you to I hate you to I'm obsessed with you to I want to be you. And that's where you find now people easily siphon our energies. You understand? Umuntu umthole ayiwaka waka. But when you start being close to them, you start looking uglier as a friend and they start looking good. And then you ask yourself, what the hell is happening? You need to go back and evaluate Uguti. When I was with, because we just look at this from relationships. I also did a video about this of destiny swapping. But today I just want to talk about today's spiritual theme. When you are with certain people in your life, right? Let's talk relationships, friendships. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You just might be with somebody that's honestly siphoning your energy. Because one thing I can tell you is that attractive women always attract insecure friends. It's either you choose pretty friends or you do not have friends at all. Because if you're gonna be friends with an insecure person, lo muntu loyo will cause you to vibrate at their at their level. And then I was like, so insecure. I'm that shit. You can literally even forget who you are. But the minute that relationship or that friendship ends, you start looking as amazing as ever. If Mukhoti or if indoda ikwazi ukumonela ukuthi uthole promotion emsebenzini or upgrade imoto, what more a friend ukuthi uthole you planning to buy a car or you bought new clothes? What more ke lo muntu lo mase utholele umuntu right? You understand that? Uzohamba atshela abantu ningamboni lo fakele bus down uthengele oyakhe uthenge ngomdidi, because such people thrive on that energy of insecurity and they are in survival mode. So it goes back to this thing of saying, evaluate what's happening in your life so that you understand what's current yako. Where is the energy leak in your life? Rather have friends or rather not have friends. You understand that? Rather have a man or not have a man. If it is going to be an energy leak, rather block the family members or keep them around. You know, because also we overlook family, how family can disturb our energy, our frequency as individual. So you see, it goes, oh, actually, when I cut this person off, I'm actually vibrating higher. I am, there are some people that come into your life and that will make you even doubt yourself. You even doubt yourself. You even start feeling like, oh, you're stupid. Oh, I sebenzi kahle. And maso uphumile uthi mara kahle but I'm almost done with my notes, right? Okay. Some other people come into your life because you are an ego boost. You are the trophy friend. You are the trophy girlfriend. You are the trophy. Oh, actually, there are guys that watch us. You are the trophy boyfriend. Oh, you understand that? So you need to evaluate ezinye izinto, because you are not just holding yourself back, but you are messing with your energy. You are giving people access to your energy and they're going to siphon your energy. They're going to siphon your energy. Because truth is, certain relationships are great until you hit a glow up. People will keep you around to make themselves feel better. As long as your life is chaotic, as long as things are not coming together, your low self-esteem, your financial instability, your depression, all of these things you can put together as your setbacks are things that fuel them. I will repeat this again if you didn't hear me. Certain relationships are great until you hit a glow up. People will keep you around to make themselves feel better. As long as your life is chaotic, as long as as long as you're not getting like uze uphuma la ungen. Ngithi abanye abangani baze bakukhaphe nasenyangeni. Uyabazi labo bangani labo. Akukhaphe nasenyangeni ajika hlebe ngayo ebantwini ukuthi lo bengimkhaphe enyangeni extra abangani. They keep you around. labo bantu labo, you must understand ukuthi they are energy vampires and they are addicted to low vibration. They appreciate abantu empilweni yabo who are doing worse than them so that they can feel better. You understand that? Your low self-esteem, your body is you looking out of shape, your skin is breaking out, you can't afford shit. Like financial step, data that makes them feel good because they feel like I have the one app. Yeah, I have the one app. Those people you need to be careful of because that's why about misery loves company. I can tell you that when I made a decision to quantum leap and make better of my life, because uNkulunkulu angeke asibusise ngokufana siya ngabantu. uNkulunkulu unibelieve emadlozini or uNkulunkulu mina ngibelieve ke emadlozini. I don't believe in there's a God in the sky. I believe in gods. You know that's why I'm the gift of the gods. So let's say the uNkulunkulu wenhlanhla blesses you with something, you understand? Ube nenhlanhla, you know, because all of us think ukuthi there's just this ladder of success. Kanti we don't know how we're gonna get there. I always say to the universe, I know where I'm destined to be, but how I get there, I always leave it in your hands. And there's nothing wrong with that, you understand? Whether kitlo fitla ka marau or kitlo fitla ka maoto or kitlo fitla jwang, but mo kyang ting kya ya wa tlhaloganya. So khona le motho uNkulunkulu or badimo ba tlo mmeya pela hao ban testing into encane, maybe uwini lot uwini 100 rand utla mmona chomi uwini 100 rand mina ngithi uzongitshela ukuthi uwina ama 1000 uwine ini, you understand? Kana ke umuntu is siphoning your energy uthi amathatha how uthi your luck, you understand ukuthi ngithini kuwe guys? Same applies with a man. Kunendoda who's comfortable, mawusidudla, unuka, unonile, ungazithanda, ungazinakekeli, upreki, loka faka nje abantwana uthi ufuna umsebenzi ugijimela embhedeni akufaka umntwana, uqala uthi ejimini ugijimela embhedeni ukufaka umntwana, nakhefuzele kashisa sex. You must know ukuthi loyo muntu loyo is a low vibrational entity in your energy field. And that person is thriving on your setbacks. That is why you find ukuthi people who are doing better in life, it does not matter how, are always alone. And people that are at their lowest are always in a long-term relationship. Long term. Hayi thina silwa nayo. Hayi sana sibamba ama peace job ngaphi thanda kamaxala mediclinic Thembisa hospital, because energy is currency. Energy is currency. And the moment you start leveling up emotionally, mentally, financially, physically, they feel threatened by you. The moment you start leveling up, right? Emotionally, mentally, financially, physically, they feel threatened and start resenting you. It's like you can do good, but not better than me. And then you ask yourself, if this person at my lowest, I always say men are not fools, friends are not fools, family, they are not, people are not fools in general. A person knows how what and then what's about your potential, but because of your vibration at that particular moment, they feed into your delulu in believing uguti nothing right now iyabambeka for wena. No, accept mpho ukuthi wena uhlulekile, accept ukuthi uhlulekile. But the minute wena Mbali you start leveling up, ukuthatha nje ivaseline ukuyiqinisa nje, uqinisa ivaseline so uthi so ungasagqobisa ivaseline so gqobisa iNivea, hey umuntu uzoshintsha. So uthenga iroko lakho lapho libone kushina, or iroko lakho uthole ukuthi imu, or iroko lakho lithele machane ngithi umuntu ajike abeke la, ora qala sekagcoka njengawe. Sekaqala uwenza yonke into oyenzayo. Hayi nami sengifuna ukwenza into oyenzayo. Nami sengifuna ukugcoka njengawe. Now me say, you understand? Because why? In Zondo say lapho, they start resenting you. So you must know ukuthi khona la uya khona umabantu, you are ruffling their feathers. And when you are alone, don't feel ukuthi Pomina, I don't have friends. Pomina, wainganamuntu. No, baby. You are on your journey. You are leveling up. You are build it, my love, and you are leveling up. I always love this analogy or this theory, the elevator theory, that look at your life as an elevator, right? You are going somewhere, right? And in the midst of that, the people that are gonna press the button, maybe ime ku 7th floor, or asqale ime ku 3rd floor, kunabantu abagibela lo muntu bebayehle on the 7th floor. When I still there, kunomuntu ogibela ku 7, bagibela bayi2, omunye angene liftini akakhulumisi for no fucking reason, and then but the lift is still going up. Ahlike at 12th floor. From the 12th floor by 18th floor. The whole way you guys are having a good conversation. Kube mnandi bahlike on the lift. Khona omunye ozo pressa lift him. And then you understand that even when you are there, things happen. Lift is stuck. You understand? It's stuck. Lift ime. Abantu, oh, help! It's chaotic. You know, you're still there in the lift. You're going somewhere. Don't get off the lift. Don't get off the lift. Don't take the stairs. That's what I want to say to you. Don't take the stairs, and don't take disconnections or separations or growth like too hard to the point whereby you can't be mature enough to understand ukuthi umbali was there just for ukuthi sixoxe from floor 11 to floor 12, but from floor 12 to floor 16 Mbali was not there. But the fact of the matter is, whether you're going to level 79 or level 1 billion, elevator isaya phambili. And the higher you go, the types of people you attract into the elevator are different depending on the higher you go. But the lower you go, yes guys, the lower you go, ikhona into ezikuphazamisa uthi useselapha ku level 50 kungena umunye ubaba webhantshi elinuka amakhwapha angena hamba no mfazi wakhe uyapi usenanye ku level 629 athi ama lift awafiki lapho awafiki ngcono ubuyele move uyehle liftini so ufuna ukubamba ama stairs uba ne doubt ugcine sokwenzani upress lift so ufuna ukubuyela ku ground floor. Mawubuyela ku ground floor ilift yenzani igcwala baze bakupintshele ekhoneni because what, everybody loves lift when it's going down. Everybody loves the lift when it's going down. And then as soon as it gets to ground floor, yakphatlala. You understand? That's you when you are at your lowest. The question is, what level are you at in your life? Where are you going? Are you going, like, you understand? There's a season, a reason, and a purpose. You look at certain things, but that's why it does not mean ugutu umbali long level 7 safika floor 12. I need now to hold on to her. She was there for that. You understand that? Usibusiso just cause sijolile from ilifti sasuka lokangibamba impundu saze safika ku level 14, it does not mean ukuthi I need to hold on to him because I will not see the growth. Instead uzothi makayehla nami ngibe ngilunguze ukuthi ushona uyapi nini ngigcine sengiyahlika ngikhohlwa la ngiyakhona. You understand that? Or even my mind is not there while I'm going up the elevator. People that are coming in that have the good energy, the right contact, the right, messages for me. Angisabezwa because ngicabanga uSibusiso osele ku level 14. Kanti what if uSibusiso was there for level 14? What if that's his highest in his life? You understand that? So my chat to you is that don't argue. Just adjust access to people. I've been doing that ever since it's been after my birthday. I've been like doing that, ever since I've been home. I've been honestly disconnecting, deleting pictures, people, blocking who I need to block. And remember, if you're still blocking people out of anger, then there's an energy leak on you. I block you and it's not that deep. I block you, it means the chapter has been done, because I used to be that person that I rekindle things. I will be that person, even if you're a past lover or a family member, maybe it didn't end off well, I will go back to you. I'm a friend, I'm a but also umuntu will remind you why it didn't work the first time. There's a reason why it didn't work out the first time. So you just need to let go. So it's just natural. Oh, I still have more notes. Oh my God. So when you revoke your energy, right? When you revoke access, when you now take back your energy, you call back your power. People are going to scramble. People are going to crash out. And the reason I'm telling you this, that right now is the perfect time for you to do all of these things. Like, you need to go back into your spiritual corner and do all these things. You understand that? You need to tagata. You need to lawyer right now and call back all your energy and unsiphon your energy and remember who you are. Because once abantu abanye once abanye abantu, you call back your energy, you call back your power. Maybe when we call back your power, uyadlala. Ubona umuntu ambasha in real time. Umuntu ahlanya in real time. Umuntu agule in real time. And you know ukuthi yazini, actually lento enginayo when i-current yakho we understand. Abanye abantu, they understand it. So abanye abantu, they'll be angry. They'll even go as low as spreading rumors about you, literally living in your past, throwing shade at you, because shade to me translates as secret animosity. You cannot say because sesihlukene besijola and now meluwenza ama status mina umfazi ongapheki mina woman which is gold diggers. No, that's always been in your head. It's just that you are waiting for the time to articulate it. Iyafana nomuntu odakiwe lento lena. They never tell any lies. Kunabantu amakubo WhatsApp banama secret subliminal messages ba shady. You must know that those people are low vibrational entities, and shade is equivalent to secret animosity. You must know that that person never loved you. If kitlobula the conversations gawe and also I want to say this, if uzongena ku relationship uthole indoda beyikhuluma kabi it girlfriend ayo, hey umpho bekahlanye, hey umpho obsessed ngami, hey umpho inino umpho ihlanye, umpho bekangiloya, and then you go into the relationship. Basically, when a man does that to you, they just fucking up with your head, so that they basically saying to you, you need to be dumb. Because Mpo clogged me, so I want you to be dumb. So what you do, automatically go into a relationship, try to act humble. Even when you see him doing shit, you want to be humble because you don't want to be like Mpo. But hey, lo and behold, you go find out one day why they say I'm a crazy woman. Why they said Mpo is a crazy woman. So it's also the same thing with friendships, If you go into a friendship and umuntu is uhleza khuluma gabi, or khuluma gabi their ex-friends, or ukhuluma gabi their friends. Bakhona abantu vela bakwazi ukuhleba abangani babo while you are friends with them. I don't know, like abantu abangani abaningi, you understand? And then umuntu ahleba umngani wakhe gabi, and then it makes it awkward because when you see them with that person, it's like, but you were talking about, you understand that all those things. And also when you go into that friendship, they are the victim, you understand that everyone is like attacking them, they are the victim, and the ex-friends everyone was at fault. You were never at fault. Everybody was at fault. You understand that all those things. So you need to also understand the minute puma in that situation, you are going to be the one that is at fault. You understand that? And the minute the friendship is rooted in a name or something, you must know also when you turn around, something is being said about you. You understand that? So those are just high school mean girl tendencies, but there are adults that carry those things around. You understand? But Mina, I live with this, ne? I live with this. Sometimes it's okay to be the villain. I struggled with this for a long time because of I want to be this perfect person. All right, no. Sometimes it's okay to be the villain. Wear the crown. Uthi ngenzeni? Yeah, I did that, and I would do it again if I had the chance. Ngenzeni mina? You understand? Because manipulators, narcissists, low vibrational people will demonize, poke holes in your character, even go as far as staying in your past, going around telling people things that you confided to them. It goes back to this thing of saying, ungatsheli indoda yonke into, ungatsheli family yakho yonke into, ungatsheli umngani yonke into. Be selective of what you share. Because if umngani wakho akwazi ukukucocela iikendal zomngani wakhe, wena bowuyini Rebecca Malope? Bowuyini wena Rebecca Malope? You need to know that there's something wrong here. You go find out, you yourself. You go find out. So be the villain. I wear that mina futhi angukufihli lokho. Mina ngikhohlakela, I'm that person ukuthi I hold a grudge mina. I don't forgive very easily. The only way for me to just fully forgive people is I have to get my shit done. You know, I need to do whatever I need to do on my end, spell work, whatever, and I'll let you go, because I need to put all of that anger somewhere. I'm like, oh, ganti unje mkulugudu. And then that's me. I'm practically saying that, look, I'm just speeding up karma for you. You understand that? And then also I'm going to just call back my energy. And if I was your social ladder, I was your social currency, you were using me because you want to be seen, that utola nami, and no, fuck you. If you want to be seen, good, no, fuck you. You understand? So be the villain and understand your value and stand on business. Be the villain, understand your value, and stand on business. I'm not out here to be trying to prove to you. If kunomuntu engingajwayela naye and ukutshela ukuthi ngiyaloya, believe him, because vele ngiyaloya. If kunomuntu who was my friend who told you that I'm evil, believe me, I'm very evil. Babe, yabona ngitshele, good people die early. They are there by the cemeteries. Tina in Gondovia. And learn sometimes to ukhohlakala. I always tell this to my client, that learn to live with the little evil inside of you. You know, learn to be a little evil, to learn to live with the guys. If you can understand the things people do to other people, you will be triggered and shocked and think like, I've actually given this person the benefit of the doubt. I've actually been too kind to this person. Actually, you understand that sometimes you also right, but hey guys, that's how life is spiritual. I don't want to feel like you treat, like, I don't want to use the word brand. That's why I'm using the word currency. You are who you associate yourself with. That's what I'm trying to say. So the less you associate yourself with people, the better it is for your social currency. Like, I'm a lone ranger in the eyes of the gentle humor, and I'm not ashamed about it. You know, when I need company, I know who to call. Let's hang out, let's do this. But I'm a lone ranger, and I love that because I'm not alone. You understand that? But the chat is revoke their access to you. Today, after you finish watching this video, delete people's numbers. Abanye uzobabona una 10 years angakhulumi nabo, but because akabona amapuna ku WhatsApp, they scrambling. How? Ngibona angisaboni profile picture. Don't even respond. Revoke access. Why are you keeping them there? Kunabantu that are viewing your status, they don't even talk to you, but they have access to you. They're not even close to you like that. So when the show goes umuntu mamkhatha off, ukhatha off neimpande zakhe, who they are close to, you make sure ukuthi umuntu umkhatha off neimpande zakhe. If boy exam so delete vele blocking family yakho, why mele ngikhiphe ama number kasisi wakho? Why mele? And if uzoba umngani wami and then uzongitshela nge-ex yami, uzongi-update nge-ex yami, or you gonna see something and then come and update me, ngiyakublock nawe, it means you don't love me. I've moved on from that guy. Uyamazi lo muntu lo bekangiphatha kanjani. So when uyabuya uzongi-update ngaye, hayi hamba nawe mthakathi, hamba nawe mthakathina. You understand that? So I just want you guys to use this energy wisely, use it well for your best. And it's not a time to be outside now and it's pity. there's a lot that's happening in the spiritual realm. There's a lot of separation. And if you're on your period, use your period blood wisely. And if you are going to be careful. Those exes that are showing up from nowhere, be careful. Be very careful. That's why I'm saying revoke access to you. Make sure that they get the message. It's a privilege for you to access my energy. And just because in 2029, I was hungry. Now, there was this prominent celebrity, right? We're at an event. So there's a lady that knows this celebrity. They grew up together, and so we were sitting together on a table, right? And she comes and said, "Oh my gosh, do you remember me?" And then the celebrity is like, do I remember you? Who are you actually? And then the lady's like, you must remember man. And then she shows the picture, and it's them really in the young age and stuff. And then the lady starts reiterating stories. Uguti, yo, phela yazi lona. And you know what the guy said? He was like, oh my gosh, I've erased all memories of poverty and sadness in my life. So you showing me that picture, you reminding me of something I want to move on from. I moved on from. I took that with me and I ran. So there are people that are not going to be able to handle you glowing up, leveling up, wanting better for yourself. They'll dwell in your past. Oh, no, panty last year, I'm panty. Oh, papa, just so that they can feel better about themselves. So that's why ngithi qala busha Silei Foundation. We are calling back our energy, social currency. Wherever your energy was siphoned, be it a friendship, a relationship, a sexual relationship, financial, it does not matter. You're calling back your energy. We are starting over. Qala kahle, babes. You understand that? And one thing I will tell you, being feminine requires money. Imali will not come to you when you're in survival mode. Imali ifuna ube soft, ube gentle, angazi explain kanjani lento le. The more uresta, that's why ngithi regulate your nervous system. Yabana, if you are still dwelling around people abane anger, then you must know what you need to cut off those people. Not because you hate them, but because you deserve better. So Nami, I'm a kununi cash. I'm waiting for my period because 27, 28, we going hard. Like this weekend, you just need to use it to do the right thing. If konu pastetum kulugutu, do the right thing. Call back your energy. Uzongbonga, babes. Call back your energy. Call back your power. Revoke people of their access to you. Revoke people of their access and learn to lie. Different people must know different versions of you. And watch their lies come together and just look at them like, look at these fools. Look at these fools. So that's just life. That's what it is. But last parting statement is that removing access increases your value. So right now you are devaluing yourself if you're allowing every person. You understand? Everyone can just access you. You are decreasing your value. So what is your value as we stand? You need to be honest with yourself. And then where there's an energy leak, it decreases your power. So uziphuca wena amandla akho. So be careful. That's why you need to be careful with who you bring close to you and who you bring around you. Also have a time frame with law for this minute, and after that, whatever, or you understand that. That's why you can't be friends with or date somebody who thinks they are better than you. You understand that? Go to circles where people are living large. That's why you want better for yourself. If you tried everything of sex as a tool, start sleeping with better start sleeping with better, then you'll see better. Look at your situation and and then start wanting better. Start laughing with better. You know what I mean? Change. If you know what's mina ngiphuza savannah, confuse your mind. Ungasayiphuza savannah, yeke. Tell yourself that I'm no longer that girl. Elevate. Tengi Bernini. It's Bernini blush or something. You are now elevating. You're teaching your mind to adjust to good things. So that kusasa when you wake up and say, I want to buy a bottle of champagne, it does not scare you. You can buy it for yourself. You see, Astropez. I buy myself Astropez. Astropez is juice. You understand? Even when I don't want to drink, I buy 0%. There's no man that's going to say he fucked me because he bought me Astropez. And it's Astropez because I buy it with my money. If being thinking about fun, being says, oh my gosh, I drink Astropez. Because no love, he thinking my lami Astropez. Yeah. Ni swiping a cut lami. So my chat to you is that allow yourself to consume better. Life is like the algorithm, you know. You look at the person you're dating, you look at his family, you know. You look at where he is, people he's keeping around him. You look at your friend, you look at her family, you look at abangani bakhe. Yeah, you understand? Makuvela abangani bakhe kuvela ngathi abomama balengayo, but they don't have dress sense. You know, uyabazi abantu abagcoka iskate nama-stocking nama-boots. I-boots le-ankle. Ne-stocking. Ne-skate se-winter. Bese wena, you telling me that you tapping into that energy. Uzofaka nini i-bikini ne-bust down. Bust down Samantha. Uzoyenza nini ento le. You understand? So I'm trying to say to you, you need to look at those things, you know. There's a lot of things, you understand, that you can think of. Guys, there's a lot of things. Umngani wakho uthenga impahla la edopa. Uzongena nini shop uzithengele. Kuzoba nzima ukuye Mr Price because uzofuna le impahla zabantu abangasekho. You understand? Umngani wakho akana license. Vele uzoba nayo nini license because akekho umuntu okhuluma nge-license la ngaphakathi kwenu. As old as you are, you don't know how to drive. When you understand, those are the conversation I'm trying to show you. Uguti, you need to think about those things. Uguti, okay, fine. This is the direction I'm headed, and this is what I want for myself. Umphoma ngihleli naye uyazithanda izinto ezinhle mara lo muntu lo hayi umpho that wants the hard way in life. Akafuni the soft way. Mina into engintshela njalo, I'm not a hard worker. Angizelanga la emhlabeni ukuzosebenza kanzima mina. You see this beauty now. This beauty. My snake wants me to be beautiful every day. So I'm not here to work hard. I am here to work smart. Even if it means I'm beautiful every day. I'm not one to be sweating armpits. You just drawing hair by the shirt. No, this is not my life. It's not. Look at this skin. Fine girl skin. Now I must do the hard work. Be angry every day. I can't afford to be angry. Because my anger will cost me my destiny. So I'd rather be alone in the lift. Meet people, laugh for 5 seconds, get off the lift. But the lift is still going upward. Don't be discouraged by little things. Want better for yourself. Want better for yourself. And that time, Ama daughter will date umfazi who's always lower than them. But you must know, Guti, you are lower than him. And if you are at a level that is probably higher than him, he will want to humble you and bring you down to his level. Same applies with friends. Kunabangani uyazi we let the phezulu ekhekeni. Yena urambo isigantsonto uqinile. But for the fact yokuthi ufuna ukufila good ngawe, awunamele hlobo. Ibile wena usantsolo ufila nkari kuyena muhle wena umubi. Kunabangani abanjalo abafuna ukuba abafuna i-challenge. Yeah, abasabi challenge labo bantu labo. So uvela uzibuze ukuthi lo sisamdala kanje shuthi esikolweni mos bekahlupha. Shuthi bekahlupha shuthi yena bekaqhoga abantomazana amahle. So that's how ngisho guys ngithi do whatever works for you. Level up. Qala with the smallest things. Tintithi wig yakho uyiwashe ibe clean, ibe nice, uyi-ayine nge-ayine or straightener. Hamba uyofuna ama-eyelash, ama-strip. If awakwazi ukufaka ama-individually, uthole i-cream or uyothenga ini. Noba bathi, oh no cream. It's your money. And if you want to look good, why not? Hamba uthenga i-cream yakho. If awufuna ukrima hamba uthenga iVaseline mara mina ngithanda cela ukuthi yabo invest in toiletry. Wazi ukuthi mina no i-brand yami le. Hayi wena engongena e-shop uya for everything low. No yafana ne-Aquafresh angiyisebenzisi mina Aquafresh. I have reasons. Ngikhule futhi Aquafresh angifuni ukuyazi. I don't use it. I don't buy it with my money. So that's the same chat I'm trying to say to you, Guti. It tube your Colgate, 100 rand. That's it. It tube your toothpaste. Sorry to mean to see. You understand? So want better for yourself. Mina guys ngiyahamba. Ngisayo medicator, and also I need to prepare because this week is almost over, but it's a very spiritually heightened week. So my witches, it's time to get it going. You understand? I always say this, that we forget that, for example, you watching me here, you are what is this? We have a sinesvumelwano, you know, consciously ukuthi you are tapping into my energy and I'm also tapping into yours. You understand that? So that's why ngisho ngithi you cannot be for everyone. Kunomuntu ozokubukela la angaka understand, but kunomuntu ozok-understand lana ukuthi no ngiyakuzwa mpho mina. You understand that? The energy exchange, the currency. What I'm telling you is things that are there that we know. But mina, I'm here. I believe ukuthi we are building as a community of sisters, you know, who want better for each other. Ngiyazi abafazi abathandani, but mina la, I don't have time for that. Instead, if it were up to me, I want all my girlies to win. If it were up to me, kube mhlambe mangithola indoda siyayishare sonke. Ngithola honorable ngicela ukuthi ujole nabangani bami bonke abaku YouTube bayakudinga. You know, that's just me. You understand that? Because I've seen how life can get for as a woman, and relating to life in survival mode and relating to life like from pain is the most painful thing as a woman. So that's just my chat. So ngiyamthanda guys, and then ngizonibona, and I think we'll be back in the vlog longer, not even longer. We'll be back with more vlogs very soon, but I just need to also calibrate and balance my energy. So use your block button. Block. You're not going to lose anything. Instead, you're going to see yourself vibrating at your highest. From me to you, it is nothing but love and light, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.